Alright, you can't really see me, but you can see the nothing. Alright, hold on, let me get some lighting in here. See what, oh, that did nothing. You can see the floor more. Alright. Hold on. Alright, reversing my camera. I know you can't probably see. Yeah, you can probably see me. No? Yeah. You what I need to breathe. Alright. It's a good song. At the end of it all, you're still my best friend. Too Close by Alex Clare. Inside me I need to release. Alright. And the kitchen. Some of you are probably wondering what that is. It's actually a coffee can on a towel because we had something leaking from there. There's the computer that I will upload this video to later. Let's watch my neighbors. Actually not outside. It's my back porch. It looks like crap. See what's in my fridge. It's my lonely Pepsi. Yeah. Oh, it's taco stuff. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I might have a taco later. Some glorious Pop-Tarts. You can't see them, but I can. It's my favorite buddy. Alright, to my room. Sorry for the mess. I was gaming last night, so I didn't clean yet, so there's like a whole bunch of garbage on the floor. Yes! My new board. My new board. It's a flip. It's really fucking good. It's not really new. It's new to me. But yes, and doodly. Yes, and doodly. You can't see it right now, but you're in my cat's face. How do you feel? You just woke up my cat. You just woke up my cat. Way to go, audience. The world is the vampire. Alright. But, it's not really special. This video camera is gonna come in handy if I can upload the video to YouTube. That's weird, wasn't it? My 2 Xboxes. I'll prove it. I think that one's unplugged. It's unplugged. But this is my Xbox that is on, that I'm currently running YouTube off of. Here's my Boondock Saints poster. Here's my bathroom. My Asking Alexander poster. Reckless and Relentless. Avenged Sevenfold, which has my samurai sword in front of it. That's right. Samurai sword. It's actually Tenchi Bankai. Zangetsu. From the anime Bleach. For all you Saga fans. Hi, people. And to really save everyone's life, you're not going to see my bathroom. It's messy. It's very, very... There's a skateboard in here that has no wheels on it whatsoever.
I wonder if she could take it on the hall right now.
But anyway, I'm actually really happy that I actually have this video camera, so I can actually do a lot of things. Sooner or later, I will upload a skateboarding video. I did not click that video. You are a witness to this. It actually goes through videos randomly. So it's Xbox controller. So it's basically by itself. I'm gonna listen to no. No, we're not. Actually, I just want to talk to you guys about some stuff. I will try to upload these videos. Last time I tried to upload, I couldn't really find out how. I wonder if I could just download it straight to YouTube. I don't have any editing software yet, so it's like kind of difficult. Yes. So I'll try to upload this video probably as fast as I can. I'm probably gonna upload it today, which is can't tell because I don't have a watch that tells the date. In fact, I don't have a watch at all. I was working on the skateboard today. This one. And I was working on this one last night. Had some stuff going through the house. Trying to look around my room to see what I can find. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys this. I'm a cool guy. For that up there. That up there. You see that? What is that? Is that stuffed animals? Fuck yeah, it is. I mean, frick yeah, cussing is bad. It's bad for children. Holy flashlight, Batman. It's not a flashlight. It's a normal light. My ceiling fan. I was like wondering what there was on that ceiling, but it was my big ass head. I don't have a big ass head. I have a normal sized head. But at this, okay, can't see my face. I feel like going back in here. Feels like there's more to do in here than it is out there. Yeah. We had fun with this about a month ago. Air horn. Hurts. Nothing to say. Nothing to do. Oh. My mom's home. I gotta stop making this video. But before I go, Monster. Hitman. Monster. Come on, can't do this to me. Monster. Alright.